Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Thursday, May 20th. I can hardly believe that. May 20th. There's only 7 school days left this year. Oh, what am I going to do without you guys this summer? I love you and I'm going to miss you. You're probably also thinking, Mr. Wright, you must really love that shirt. We've seen it on you for 5 days for morning assembly. It's my favorite because look what it says. Achievers for life. Right? I love that idea that once you're part of Achieve, even if you're only part of Achieve for 1 year or less than a year, a little bit of your heart is going to be with Achieve and you're going to be part of Achieve for life. All right. Speaking of being a part of Achieve for life, one thing we do every day is the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You can have a seat. Show me a good slant. We're talking about love all week. I'm probably going to tell you that I love you every day this week because guess what? I love you. I am so happy about how you've been showing love to everyone on campus today. This week. I'm happy about how you've been showing love to our campus. I saw people taking care of it yesterday. Picking rocks up off the field was a great way of showing love, by the way. Nice job with that. Today I want to talk about this idea. We talk a lot at Achieve about being world changers. Like we want to make the whole world better. The whole world. How do you do that? You can't change everybody in the world. No, you can't. But you can change you. And then things start happening to people around you. Well, this is interesting because I've been wearing this mask all year. Okay? That mask is designed to keep my germs from getting out on other people because my germs are contagious. My germs can make other people sick. That's interesting. Think about this. If I sneezed on a few people or didn't cover my mouth or breathe on them, they would get my germs. And then they would go spread those to a few other people. And then they would spread it to a few other people. And it would just go on. And pretty soon it would just be out of control. My germs wouldn't just be with me anymore. They'd be all over. And I would kind of be a world changer, but not in a good way because I would be making the world worse. But love is contagious. It's just like those germs. But sometimes we try to keep like a mask on our life and keep our love in because it's kind of scary. I want to tell you this though. When you start showing people around you love, that love is so contagious. If you show 5 friends love today, they're going to show 5 more friends. They're going to show 5 more. They're going to show 5 more. And pretty soon a whole bunch of people are feeling loved and treating people with kindness and gentleness. This is one of the biggest ways to be a world changer. So I want you to talk about that today. That's kind of a big idea. Teachers, you might have to work that down in some of the classes. But let's talk about that for a few minutes. How can you show love to some other people, and how will your love be contagious? Have a great day, Achieve. I love you. Bye.